To get a WooCommerce API key, follow these steps. Log into WordPress admin. Go to your WordPress website and log into the WordPress admin dashboard. Navigate to WooCommerce settings. In the left sidebar of the dashboard, go to WooCommerce and click on Settings. Go to the API section. In the WooCommerce settings, click the Advanced tab. From the options under Advanced, click on REST API. Add a new key. Click the Add Key button to create a new API key. You will be prompted to fill in the following fields: description, and enter a name for the API key. User, select the user you want to associate with the key. Permissions, choose the level of access you want to grant. Generate the API key. Once you fill in the details, click Generate API key. You will be given the consumer key and consumer secret. Copy these keys and keep them secure, as they provide access to your WooCommerce store's data. Use the API key. You can now use these keys in API requests to interact with your WooCommerce store.